What's up, guys? Welcome to my YouTube. I'm just playing. Let me stop. I'm about to hop right into this video. So today we're going to be talking about the stock watch list of this week. I have a couple good stocks that I've been looking at, and I'm gonna let y'all know we need to hop on board. Hopefully they don't pump and dump these hoes. Good Lord, please don't. Please don't. Okay, so I got up SOS. So SOS is a holding company which provides marketing data, technology, and solutions to the emergency rescue services in China. It focuses on the research and development of big data, cloud computing, Internet of Things, blockchain, and artificial intelligence. So they actually released some news about them this week. I believe it was on Friday, and they announced development of cutting edge series of security systems based on blockchain and our technology computing to initial phase of its blockchain strategy. So you can go through and read all of that. With that type of news, because they've actually been doing well, and as you can see, analysts believe that the target for this is $20, y'all, and they're only at 294. So this is definitely a sleeping giant. They actually went up by 64 cents on Friday, and they're down by 10 cents in the after hour. Nothing dramatic, but hopefully they dip so I can get in real low. But I'm definitely looking at this stock. Do they have any options? They actually do have options. Okay, so they have $5 and they have 750. They only can go out. You can only go out to August 20th with these. So, and you can see the price on them. They expect that to be past $5. So you get in there right now. You be spending $130 for one contract. That's a $5 contract of a buy call August 20th. So this is definitely a stock I'm looking at. I'm like, oh, that analyst report looks really good. It looks really, really, really good. So the next stock I'm looking at is the Iconics brand group. It engages in ownership, licensing, management, and marketing of a portfolio of consumer brands. It operates through the following segments: women's, men's, home, and international. I believe this stock is actually has something to do with clothing, if I'm not mistaken. I would let me go look it up really quick so I can make sure I'm giving y'all the right information. So yes, it does. So they actually hold the right to brands that could be bought in stores like Kmart, Sears, Target, and others. Its brands includes Joe Boxer, Echo Unlimited, Buffalo, and more. So this stock has actually been listed on one of my lists and on a scanner. Um, so they actually so it looks like it says we continue to expand our business, including a successful launch of Umbro products in Walmart. I would definitely I'm gonna attach some stuff like links in my description box on you can read up on this, but they're definitely on the radar. They went up $1.19 on Friday. They like did a hop and a skip. Who knows? Are they planning on pumping this stock yet? Next, I don't know. I hope not. I do not condone pumping and dumping because it's against the law. So yeah, okay, but no. So I couldn't find any analyst reports like showing target price for them. So I looked up and down for that. Couldn't find it. Of course, we know the ones we have to keep looking at is AMC, GME, KOSS, and Express. You know, them are just like the ones that we have to keep our eyes on because a lot of us are invested in those. I'm literally catching a headache even talking about them because let's get on Robinhood for a second. Robinhood, can y'all please start putting this type of stuff on the front page? Please. I am so tired of having to search y'all website for this type of information. Guys, you literally have to search high and low for this. This is not on the front page. This is important. So they have to change this due to the ongoing market. But like, what is this is crazy. This should be on the front page. So I guess this table, what does this show? The table below shows the maximum number of shares and option contracts to which you can increase your position. What? So AMC 10 shares. Seriously? Only 10? What? And you can open options contracts 10? Okay. Um you could look over this. I'm not understanding what they're talking about. And it says, what if my existing positions already exceed the limit? So if you already hold a greater number of shares or contracts, then the limits listed above your positions will not be sold or closed. However, you will not be able to open more positions of each of these securities unless you sell enough of your holdings such that you are below to the respective limit. Etheridge, I'm so tired of them. Can I buy fractional shares of these securities? No. Wow. And you can't do like reoccurring investments. Robinhood and the rest of the people who agree with this, fuck y'all. The end. Like, get on. They do not want the poor to be rich, y'all. And if y'all don't get this, y'all, wow. I'm so just done. That hurt my feelings reading that. On to the next one because we don't care. So, we have, hope I'm saying this right. Is it PHUN or Funware? I don't know if I'm saying this correctly, but this company engages in the development of a multi-screen as a service platform, an enterprise cloud platform for mobile. It provides companies the products, solutions, data, and services necessary to engage, manage, and monetize mobile application portfolios and audiences at scale. I have something in front of my computer, so I really I need to move it so I can read this, but I don't want to make that much noise in you guys' ear. So I was reading up on this company, and I really could see them going up. So look at that. They have went up 44 cents on Friday, and then after hours they went up 74 cents. So they've been up $1.39 the last, looks like the last week, which is not bad. It says several times in the past few months for a variety of reasons. I'm reading an article. I'm trying to make sure I give you guys the right information. So they have had increased attention on them. You know, due to COVID, a lot of people are not, you know, you can't go to the movies, you can't do things. So they have seen an increased attention due to the pandemic. So it looks like they're about to become more popular. It's definitely a penny stock to watch. I try to get in when this stuff dip. And the reason I call this a stock watch list is because even if the stock does not do well, you want to get in before it takes off. You never want to miss out on the fun with a lot of these stocks because a lot of us, we go back and be like, oh, we were invested in this one and it just took off. So if you really think a stock is going to go up and you know, hey, that's that, like, I would definitely keep an eye on it. So it says their projected price is like $2.90. This is one to watch. They are definitely like setting the bars high for this one though on StockTwits. Oh, let me see. They got some news. Oh, let me see. Never mind. I was going through here looking at some news. Just pay attention to it, please. Please pay attention to it. The end. I tried to look up, like I said, the analyst price of it is not that high, but keep an eye. Okay? Now we have if I'm saying it correctly, RIGL Pharmaceuticals. So they operate as a clinical stage biotechnology company. It discovers and develops novel targeted drugs in the therapeutic areas of oncology and immune oncology. I'm pretty sure this has something to do with COVID. I'm about to go check right now. I should have my news all together, y'all. I'm so horrible. I'm so sorry. But yes, they're on a phase 3 trial right now. Okay. So it's support the phase 3 of, I will put this in a link. I cannot say this word. It's a medical terminology and I cannot pronounce it. Even though I work for hospitals and stuff, I can't say it. It says there is a drug that's being used most in Canada and Europe. So they'd like to receive the funding from the DOD, and now they're going to be moving on to their phase 3 trial. So we'll see. I will keep an eye on those. Okay, that's one to keep an eye out on. These are all the stocks I'm gonna be keeping out eye out on this week. I did not overdo it because with the stuff that's going on with the GameStop, AMC, and all that, it's a lot already to a lot of new people. I will always tell you guys, never, ever, ever put too much on your plate, because that's when you'll start losing money. Try to focus on what you need to focus on. It's already, like, looking at AMC and GameStop and KOS, it's like already giving me a headache thinking about it tomorrow. So try not to overdo yourself. That's why I did not post that much. If things start coming up, I will post them in the description box. A lot of news does come out on Mondays. So like I said, if anything does update, stocks to watch, I will put them in the description box. But for right now, I'm keeping the list slim and easy because you don't want to overdo yourself. So thank you for watching. If you did, please like and subscribe to my channel. Like the video, I mean, not like whatever. You can subscribe and like whatever. Thank you for watching again. Bye.